Welcome, my name is a Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which looks to be on the second page right over here. So before you tap on it, you want to hold that toggle, and this will take us to the settings. And from here, choose Set Up Portable Hotspot, where we can change our password. So you can tap on it to view the one that is set by default, and as you can see, it's just some kind of randomly generated password. So you might want to remove it and enter your own. Now I'm making something really easy. The only thing that it needs to have is 8 characters in length, as you can see mine does. And then above that you have the SSID, which is just the name of the network that will be showing up in the list. You can keep it as it is and name it to something else if you want to. Security, keep the same, otherwise you won't have password and anybody can connect to it once it's live. And the last thing important is the AP band. Now here you have choice between one or the other. If your device can support the 5 GHz, by all means go for it. It will be faster, more stable, and just in general better. While the 2.4 will be slower, but it will be used by basically every smartphone device. So the rule is, if your device can't see your network once it's set up and enabled, drop it to 2.4. If it sees it at 5, well then you're golden and you don't really need to do anything. So let's tap on the check mark right there, and from here we can either enable it from right over here or through the notification panel where the toggle was right here. So that's also how you enable and disable it. And right now it's disabled. And again, you can tap on it to enable it, and you can see right over here tethering or hotspot active. It basically gives you an information that it's working right now. And also, if someone connects to it, below you'll have the amount of people that are connected to your hotspot. Once you're done, just check it off to turn it off. So that is how you would set it up and enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.